Morning guys, happy Wednesday. It is nice and sunny out today. I don't know if you can see it. I'm up early, dressed and made my bed already. I'm thinking of going down the town early because it's just so beautiful out, so I can walk along the seafront and everything like that. So yeah, so I'll be walking pretty much down the bog hall and then down towards the beach and then up through the town, and then that's when I'll be doing a bit of my shopping. So I can't wait. I'll be going in a few moments, but I'm just after out of the bathroom, so I want to rest for a few minutes and everything like that. I do need to bring clothes down. I need to bring bin down because today is bin day. So yeah, so I'll be doing all that, so I will. So yeah, so good morning to you all. Happy hump day, happy Wednesday, and I hope you enjoy the vlog. Alright guys, so I'm heading out. So I have my hat on, my walking jacket, my walking trousers, and I have different shoes on just for a change. Yeah, I'm wearing these shoes. Just started wearing them because I've always been wearing the black ones, so time for a change. And I am wearing this bag for a change, so it's easier, and instead of having a bag going across there, I have a backpack, you know, it's just easier. I do have clothes to bring to the recycling, so what I might do, bring that, go to the recycling centre on the Southern Cross, I cut through Killian's Field and then come back Killian's Field and go down the bog hall, then down towards the beach and then up. Hey guys, so just currently walking down towards the beach. So this is Newport Road. I walked down the bog hall, so I did. That's my old school in there. So yeah. Alright guys, so I am here. Look how beautiful it is. Absolutely so beautiful. Finally here. So we are at the seafront now. It's really dead. Literally really dead. How beautiful is that sea though? Just the colour of it, like, absolutely fabulous. It really is fabulous. Let's take a walk down here, just away from everyone. Just look at the steps. Now let's see if there's anyone on the secret beach. There's a few people. It's beautiful. That is just extraordinary. I'm gonna take a photo after taking a photo. It just really is just so beautiful. It's too beautiful. Way too beautiful. Absolutely way too beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm finished my walk along the beach and now I'm heading towards the shops to get a few bits. So like the likes of Deals, Duns. I'm not too sure if there's any other shops that I need to go to, but I'll figure that out on my way. I'll see if I can vlog in shops, but I doubt it. But we'll see. We're just currently in Deals right now. Alright guys, so I'm finished down the town now. So I got myself a dog bed and just a few other bits for the house. It really is a beautiful day today. It really is. So yeah, so just waiting for my mom to pick me up and then I'll be heading back home. So yeah. Hey guys, so back at home. Yay. That was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Such a beautiful walk. So it was. I've put away all my things and everything like that. Yeah. I got my 10,000 steps in. So I did. So I done my morning walk and my shopping done all in one go. Feels great. And I actually got loads of bits done. And guess what? Didn't pick up one piece of chocolate or anything like that. I still can't believe that I still won't pick up like a chocolate bar or a packet of jellies or anything like that in Deals. It feels so good. So yeah, as you seen a little clip, I went into Deals. I actually ended up picking up a few more Christmas stuff. Now there wasn't really much, but I picked up like 2 things. Yeah, I think two more Christmas decorations for my room. I think next week I'll be going to try and pick up a few more. Because I just want a room full of decorations. And I know I'll end up having to like keep them to like next year, but anyway, don't care. So yeah, I went into Deals. I picked up like a few tissues, washing up liquid, just the usual stuff for the household. I tried to find the candle that I picked up a few weeks ago for my mum and dad, but I can't find it. I just need to keep looking. That's all. Oh, I picked up a dog bed as well, as you seen. Yeah, that's about it really. And then went to Deals. No, and yeah, I went to Deals, but then after I went over to Boots to pick up more of my hair shampoo. So I did, and then my mom collected me, so now I'm back home. So yeah, so I'm going to probably go and take a quick shower and then get something to eat, and then maybe put on a movie. I do need to do YouTube work, so I'll be doing that. So I might just, no, I need to put on last night's EastEnders actually, so I'll do that. I'll go jump into the shower, get lunch, put on EastEnders, do a bit of YouTube work and just chill and play a bit of Animal Crossing, because I found out what you need to get for the Turkey Day that is happening tomorrow, the 26th. Yeah, the 26th. So I'll be today I'll be gathering all them bits up, so we will just have them ready for the turkey day. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to it, to see what it's like, and yes, I will be clipping a bit of it, so yeah. Showered and hair washed. And my hair is just absolutely so soft. Just look at that. It's so nice. I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I got my 10,000 steps. Don't know if you can see. But yeah, I have 10,892 steps. 3 more days to go, and I should be back in business with the steps. So yeah, on Saturday I think I'm meeting up with Graham, Sarah and Simon. So before I go meet up with them, I'll go for my walk. So like down Balcon up Southern Cross, and then I'll go through Killian's Field, because that's where we are meeting up. So yeah, so right now I am literally going to cool down, drink the rest of the bottle of water over there, tie up my hair, and turn on my laptop, do a bit of YouTube work, and catch up on EastEnders. I don't know why I put on my Xbox when I'm connecting my TV with my laptop to watch EastEnders. Ah well. Ah well. And then I will get lunch once all that, since when YouTube is up and running, and I have EastEnders on, and then I'll go and get lunch. Ooh, my daddy's home. He had to go into the hospital today to get checked, just with blood pressure and stuff like that. But he's absolutely fine because they let him out. But yeah, I'm gonna go off and do that and get some lunch. There's Baby Roo in the background. Say hello, guys. Hey guys, so I'm doing a bit of YouTube work, as you can see in the bottom thing there. I have EastEnders on, last night's EastEnders on, so I'll be watching EastEnders. I'm going to get a bit of lunch now and play Animal Crossing now. Oh, what's going on now? No, it was jumping for a bit. It's weird. But yeah, I'm going to go and get some lunch now, watch this, and then play a bit of Animal Crossing. So guys, I'm finished YouTube work. I caught up with EastEnders. I have iCarly / Victorious on, and I am playing Animal Crossing. Hey guys, so I have just been chilling downstairs as usual, watching I'm a Celebrity as usual, with my parents and my sister as usual. And then I had dinner. No, I had dinner and then watched I'm a Celeb. So yeah, for dinner I had ham, veg, and fried potato and chorizo. My favourite dinner of all, apart from Christmas dinner of course. But yeah, that was so nice. I had to take a photo of it, so it's up on my Susan's Journey page if you want to go over and have a look. So yeah, so I'm in my PJs. I'm just in my Riverdale pajama bottoms and my polar bear, as you can see. and it says cozy time. I haven't worn this in ages because like it didn't fit me, but now it does. It's a size medium, so that's why I haven't been able to fit into it. But now I do. Now I fit into it. So I compare it again. I pity I threw right at the bottom, so I really like the bottoms, but oh well. Oh well, doesn't matter. But yeah, I am off to bed now. Tomorrow is turkey day on Animal Crossing, so I'll definitely I'm definitely vlogging tomorrow anyway, so like you'll see probably clips of tomorrow's event in the game as a bonus. I currently have The Simpsons on. I am going to put on my cream and moisturizer and stuff like that. So yeah, so for now I am ending the vlog now, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed today's vlog, and if you have, please give me a like, comment below, subscribe, hit the bell, share with all your family and friends, and see you all in the next vlog. Bye guys.